Everybody says that cinematic image should have a lot of background blur and separation, and I decided to make an experiment. I shot an entire wedding workshop in Italy with a 20-70 f4 lens, and in the same location another workshop, but with the 7 Artisans 35mm t.05 lens. So let's compare the two and decide which one is better. What's good guys, my name is Oleg Nikitin and you're watching No Limits On channel. So this lens is a cinematic beast, let me say, because it has a super fast aperture of t1.05, and I shot almost the entire workshop, which is actually organized by my wife, and I'll leave a link down below for her Instagram if you're interested to visit our workshop. And basically this lens was wide open at all times, and I also did use a mist filter on top of the lens to get more creamy, cinematic, mysterious look, let me say. But with the 24-70 I actually didn't use a mist filter, and this lens is more of a clinical lens. And if I were to choose one lens to shoot a wedding with, entirely one lens, a full wedding, I would say that the 20-70 f4 is a much more versatile option and still gives you a really nice image quality. I don't care about that much bokeh in such a great location, and all in all I would say that this is the most versatile reportage style shoot lens on the market right now for Sony lenses made by Sony. And this lens is more of a creative lens, and I would say if we had two shooters on an actual wedding, I would use the 24-70 as the main reportage style lens just to document each and every event on the wedding. But for the creative shots I would probably take something like this, an ultra fast lens with a lot of character, with creamy bokeh, with weird bokeh, let me say, with field curvature, soft angles if you focus on infinity, and angles actually in focus if you focus on the person in front of you. So all in all, this lens is a lot of fun to use, but of course I wouldn't shoot the entire real wedding with such a lens. And now enjoy the comparison of those shots shot in more or less the same locations with those two lenses. By the way, the camera was exactly the same, Sony ZV-e1. I was the shooter, and I also used those handheld with an on-camera monitor. So even in terms of the style of shooting, those two are really similar. And now guys, I want you to let me know which one would you prefer, which shots you like better, from the ultra fast 35mm lens, which is actually a APS-C lens, by the way, not a full frame lens, but it covers full frame almost entirely, or from the 20-70 Sony lens, the G lens. Let me know in the comment section below. So vote for this one or vote for the f4, and I'm curious to know which one wins in your opinion, which one is more cinematic, and which one would you prefer to use on an actual shoot. Just let me know, I'm super curious guys. If you did enjoy this video guys, smash the like and subscribe buttons and hit the notifications bell, and right here I have a full review of this 7 Artisans lens. It's a pretty interesting one, so if you're curious about all the characteristics and nuances of this lens, I'll just send you here. Watch this video guys. Thank you so much for watching, see you later, bye, take care.